holiday time will be coming up, and I want to freeze some for apple pie. It's 2 cookie sheets, and you're gonna need some parchment paper to cover up your cookie sheets. You're going to need a bowl. In that bowl, you're going to need lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. You're also going to need 4 cups of water. If you notice, I got a lot because I got a lot of apples. You're also going to need some Ziploc baggies, and you see there's a straw sticking out because you got to suck out all the air. I'm going to use a bigger knife because that's more good for thing. I just come and just cut around the core. This way I don't have to worry about decoring it. And I can bunch on this later if I want to. So I use 2 knives for this. Okay, so I cut my apples, and I like to cut my apples first before I peel them because it's just easier to grip it and to peel it. Because then this way I can see if there's any brown spots, because these apples I don't want to go bad. And let's peel them really close to the edge and make sure all the skin is off. Now this is how I peel my apple. You cut them up in slices, thin slices if you're gonna make apple pie or whatever. Bath for 5 minutes. Okay, I've been soaking the apples for 5 minutes in the bath solution of that lemon and water. And now I'm going to take them out. You notice I peel and try to get that water off. And then I'm going to sit them on parchment paper next to each other. You don't want them on top because when they start to freeze, they'll be stuck together like a clunk. And I'm going to line them all up on here as I take all this water out. Now you can use a colander and dip this out, but I have a lot more because I'm going to try to do 2 trays. So that's why I'm not getting rid of my lemon and water bath. So we'll be back when the trays are full. Okay, if you notice, I put them on my cookie sheet. I got parchment paper so when they freeze, they don't stick to the metal or pick up the metal taste. They're all nice and flat and thin. Great for smoothies or great for apple pie. There's my other tray over there. I do have some pieces on top of each other, but they're very small. So I'm going to hurry up and put these in the freezer. I'm doing mine overnight. They say 6. Some people say 4. I say 6 or overnight. But I'm going to do my overnight, and then when we come back, they'll be solid frozen, and I'll show you how to put them in the bag. Woohoo! Thin these up. If some stick to the wax paper, don't pull it because you don't want the paper to be on here. As it melts a little, it will just automatically come up. Someone asked me, do you spray it? No, you do not spray this. You just get ahead, and you see this is why you don't want it to be on top of each other. As soon as it hits the warm air, it will get ahead and pop right up. So now I'm filling up the bags. And if you notice, I have the bags flat because this is how you need it to be stacked on each other. And I go like this, and all of these need to come out because you need at least about 1 inch from the top to suck out that air because you're going to vacuum seal it. Now, if you got a vacuum seal, great for you. But if not, then I'm going to show you how you do this. You want to seal up the bag. Ziploc seal it. And then you want to leave just a little space for your straw. And then you're going to put just the space for the straw in the bag. All the way around until only the straw has a slit. Now look at this bag and see what happens as I suck the air out. Now as you suck in the air, if you let it go, that air will come back. So you want to pinch these sides of the straw right here so the air doesn't come back. and do a big, huge suck in, and then let it out while you seal it. Look at that. It's like seal packed. And the more you can get out of there, the better it is.